Residents of communities without an elected councillor say they've been finding it harder to have their community-level concerns addressed. But what are some of the issues arising from the vacancies caused by the deaths of the councillors? The details in this report.
Minister of Local Government Desmond McKenzie told Parliament recently that 5 of the country's political divisions do not have a councillor after they died between 2019 and this year.
We lost Councillor Wesley Suku 9 in 2019, Councillor Milton Brown in 2020, Councillor Brown in Portland in 2020, Councillor Darren Wood from Portland in 2021, Councillor Ivan McCormack, who passed quite recently.
But now, their absence is being felt, including in places like the Fairy Hill Division in Portland, where the late Darren Wood served.
It's very bad. We only have a caretaker councillor from the People National Party. We have been seeing him. We hear from him several times. But from the other side, we don't know nobody.
2 other residents who sell coconuts and its related products say bringing their goods to market is hard due to bad roads, and they do not know who to turn to about the problem.
The amount of money when I spend a garage, I spend more than what I earn. I tell you, so right now, the road no fix, so I trouble down on foot.
When a councillor dies, the mayor usually assumes responsibility for their division until they are replaced. But in the case of Portland, where 2 councillors have died, the deputy mayor has been assigned to one of the vacant divisions. So, as it stands, the mayor of Port Antonio, Paul Thompson, is in charge of the Manchonil Division and the Fairy Hill Division, while Deputy Mayor Rowan Vassell is in charge of the Balcarres Division as well as the Fellowship Division that was held by the late Irvin Brown.
It was 3 of us in eastern Portland, and now I'm the only one that is left. And it really pains my heart.
We asked the men about the workload and whether it impacted how they served the people.
The work is there, so we just have to do it instead of complaining and find excuses.
If you are in charge of 100 people and then you are given another 100, the work must be twice the amount that you used to do. Yes, it is. But as I've said, we identify the major issues, which is the chucking of water.
The mayor explained that caretakers are to be assigned to help with residents' needs in the divisions. But in the meantime, the people will have to wait a few more months to vote for a local government representative, as the Prime Minister has insisted that no election will be held this year. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.